Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Ubuntu Server 20.04. Open your web browser and go to ubuntu.com. Select download. Click Ubuntu Server. Click Save and wait for it to download. Close out of your web browser and open up Virtualbox. I've already created a VM with 10 gigs for storage, 4 gigs for memory, and 2 processors. Hit start. Add a new ISO. Choose and hit start. Select your language and update to the new installer. I previously had problems with the old installer due to the fact that it would cause the installation to time out and not allow me to continue, lock up the VM, and also when installing security updates, it would lock up and not allow me to exit the installer. So update to new installer. Continue with your keyboard layout. Once your machine has an IP, continue. Leave the proxy address blank unless you know what this is, then you can enter it. Leave the mirror address the same. Make sure use the entire disk is selected and scroll down and click done. Click done once more and continue to erase the hard drive. This is just the virtual hard drive. Hit continue. Into your information. Enter a username and password. Make sure the passwords match though. Hit done. And I will be installing OpenSSH. This is for importing your SSH keys from GitHub or Launchpad. I will not be doing this time. Hit done. This is a list of services that you can install at the very beginning of your server. However, we are going to install everything from scratch. Hit done once more, and then let the installer finish. And click cancel, update, and reboot. Canceling the update will allow you to reboot a little bit faster, and you can also update once the system comes back online. press enter. And now log in. If that ever happens where you don't know what you typed, hit Control U and then hit enter to restart. And you are now in your new server. To update it, type sudo apt update, enter your password, and then sudo apt upgrade. Once you start typing the command, you can hit tab to complete it. The capital Y suggests that is the default answer, so just hitting enter will suffice. And that's how you install Ubuntu Server.